and we'll come to our create compound objects, and we'll use the pro boolean. It's already set up for subtraction, and we'll just remove that section. That looks all very good and well there. As I say, we'll worry about the shell ejection section once we've got the whole thing assembled and we have this section built. But for the moment, that's looking pretty good. We could, if we wanted to, add some extra detail in there by right-clicking, turning that to an editable polygon. Just extrude, selecting these two sections here. Maybe more on maybe that section. And what we'll do here is we'll just put a couple of slices in, and we'll say quick slice there, quick slice there, so that I can select these two types of edges and these as well, and just put another little chamfer in there. Go. And extrude. Don't forget, all the things that you do like this are all about putting extra detail in. So all it's about is just extra little bits of detail. So the more that you put on there, the better your work is going to look. So coming out of isolation mode, we now have the main part of the gun here. And we can start to look at it in a little bit more detail, and we can start to say which bits do we want to start to pull forward or not. So I may, for example, start to play around with areas like this. I'm not entirely sure I'm going to, but we might say, I don't know, let's pick this. A bit of a loop on that edge. Oh, no. A ring. No. I do kind of have a little bit of a feeling that maybe some of these edges are a little bit sharp. And what I'd quite like to do is just to go around and kind of put chamfers in, but these damn program won't let me. That's not going to work. One thing I would say as an addendum to this would be consider going around and putting some chamfers on some of these edges, make them look slightly less harsh. There is always the option as well that using the new mental array materials, you can put those chamfers in anyway using the material. But I always like doing it on the geometry. I feel as if I have more control over it. But anyway, that's the end of this section. And in the next section, we will move on to building the magazine, and also this section here, which helps to eject the magazine.